The Delta State Police Command of the Nigerian state has arrested more than 100 individuals suspected of participating in a gay wedding ceremony held at a local hotel in the state. According to an official statement posted on the State Police Command's social media platform, the suspects were taken into custody while reportedly engaging in the gay wedding ceremony. The parade of the arrested individuals was conducted and streamed live on Facebook. The statement from the police read, Delta State Command has arrested over 100 gay suspects in a hotel carrying out a gay wedding ceremony.
Dressed up, I want to perform on stage, promoting an event. On my way going to the event, some police people attacked me and took me here to the police station.
Are you a male or a female?
I'm a male.
Then why are you dressed like a female? Just tell us.
I dressed as a female because I'm a model. I wanted to perform on stage.
If I may ask you, as an actor, you're supposed to dress at the venue, not outside the venue. So what exactly changed?
Okay. I was supposed to dress at the venue because the venue's hotel, everything is occupied, so I have to go and lodge in another hotel close to the hotel. That's why
So how do you feel being paraded today, and how do you feel?
We will be going live shortly on Facebook to parade the said suspects. The arrest brings attention to the West African nation's strict stance against same-sex relationships and gay marriage. In 2014, former President Goodluck Jonathan signed a bill into law that criminalized gay relationships and same-sex marriage. Under this law, those found guilty of engaging in homosexual activities could face up to 14 years of imprisonment.
The camera is wrong,
He was trying to.
The audio was speak loud.
I was drunk that day.
Talk louder.
I was very drunk. I don't know what. I said, stop. That's all I can say because I was very drunk.
What was the person do to you that you say stop? Just rule. Go on talking.
He was having
Since the implementation of the anti-gay law, various instances of arrests and public parades of individuals suspected of being homosexuals have taken place. Notably, the Nigerian society and legal system view homosexuality as a punishable offense, reflecting deeply held cultural and social norms.
So when I came, I was sent an invite on Instagram to attend this award party. I was offered an award if I attended, but that was what they told me. So which they paid
dressing the way you're dressing.
they tried to come and ask me that event. So those that not were me, people had to for everything was safe. I'm coming as a first again.
In December 2020, the Lagos State Police Command apprehended 10 individuals suspected of engaging in homosexual activities at a brothel situated in Okita, Lagos. Similarly, in 2018, the police in Lagos paraded 57 men accused of participating in homosexual activities at a hotel in Egbeda. In January 2022, another incident occurred in Lagos, where 8 individuals were arrested at a hotel in Isolo for alleged involvement in gay activities.